mom?
Mini like a small mom? You said mini mom. Mini means tiny, means the smallest, means tiny, and mom means mom. So tiny mom.
So where did you hear the word at least before?
At home.
At home where? Who said it?
Like my father.
I don't understand. How did he say it? What was he saying when he said it?
I don't remember.
So, but you then don't know the meaning of at least. Then you should know the meaning of at least.
I do.
So now if I say at least 17 videos, what do you think that means?
That's.
Try.
I didn't know what to say the first one. Well,
At least.
I know I have to say like what it means, and then I have to say something. But
Okay.
I don't know.
Okay. At least mean that when I say at least 17 videos, that means that the videos we need to record must not be less than 17. We have to record.
11.
Calm down. We have to record 17 videos or more. That's the meaning of at least. So when you hear the word at least, that means that number or more than that number. If I say that Pani Dominica should be at least 40 years old. What does that mean? That means what?
That means she is bigger than 40 years old.
Okay, that means she is either 40 years old or older than 40 years old. Do you understand that now? That's the meaning of at least. So it means.
Have you seen Pani?
I don't know any Pani Dominica. That name just come to my mouth. It just came to my mouth. So now
we have a student that have a name Dominica.
Okay, we are still learning. So now let's move to at most. At most now mean that.
No,
Okay.
like bigger.
Head.
Like bigger than 20.
No. At least means either if I say at least 17, that means 17 or more than 17. If I now say at most 20, that means that it must not be bigger than 20. Do you understand? So that means it must not be older than. That means you are recording videos. The videos you want to record must not be more than 20. So,
but it must be
so
smaller or bigger than 17, right?
It must not be, no, at least 17 means it must not be smaller than 17. And at least 17 means it must not be smaller than 17. And at most 20 means that it must not be. You didn't hear what I was saying? I thought I heard it say goodness. I thought it was coming from goodness.
Yes.
Because some of them they recognize me. Once they see me like this, they will say goodness. So when I say at least 17 or at most 20, that means that we want to record 17 videos. The videos we want to record must not be less than 17, and it must not be more than 20. Do you understand it now?
And I know how many videos we have to.
Do you understand at least and at most first?
Yes.
Do you understand? So if I say that grandma should be at most 80 years old, what does that mean?
Like it should not.
That means grandma is what?
Is
Oh, you are too playful. You are not paying attention. At most means that it must not be more than that number. So if I say that at most 80, that means grandma is not older than 80. If I say that grandma is at most 80 years old, that means grandma is not older than 80. So is it that grandma is less than 80 or she is 80 years old but she's not older than 80? Do you understand now? I would have bought at least 10 cars. What does that mean?
at least like bigger.
Yes, that means I would have bought either 10 cars or more than 10 cars. Chindobri, this one is coming from goodness school. So if I now say that we will get home at most 30 minutes time.
So like it should not so that we will come
We will get home.
at 30 but not more than 30.
Yes, that means we will get home in 30 minutes or less than 30 minutes. It will not be more than 30 minutes before we get home. That's what it means. So that means you understand?
Or we will come at home
At 30 minutes or before 30 minutes. So you understand it now? There is nowhere you can't play. Okay. So, do you not know what minimum and maximum mean? Minimum.
Minimum like a small mom. You said mini mom. Mini means tiny, means the smallest, means tiny, and mom means mom. So tiny mom. Small mom. Did I got it right?
No, but you tried. I love your explanation. So if minimum means small mom, what does maximum now mean?
Big mom. Max means big.
Clap for yourself first.
Right? Did I get right?
First clap for yourself. You are a good teacher. I love your explanation, you know.
Did I get it right?
No, you didn't.
Both of them?
You didn't, but you tried. Like I love the way you reason. Minimum.
How I explained it.
Yes, I love the way you reason and the way you explain it. Like, you're such a genius. Okay. Okay, minimum means I did not say mini mom. If I had said mini mom, like separated them, that means small mom. But now I said minimum together. Minimum means smallest and maximum means biggest. Just like you said, mini means small. Let's complete our video before we go and pick goodness, because you will not let us complete. So just like you said, mini means small, right? Yes. And maximum means big. So minimum means smallest and maximum means biggest. For example, if I say that I need a minimum of 10 zloty.
That you need like small.
The smallest money I need is 10 zloty. So if I say I need a maximum of 2,000 zloty.
That you need the biggest money of 2,000.
That is the biggest money I need is 2,000 zloty.
2,000, I thought you said 200.
I can't remember what I said. I can't remember, maybe I said 200 or I said 2,000. So now you know the difference between minimum. Don't go far from our video. So you know the difference between minimum and maximum.
Yes.
Some people said we look alike. Do we look alike?
Like I was saying,
Like,
is that the same?
do you look like me?
No, I don't even look like you. And
You-
you don't even look like me.
You don't look like me? Someone is coming. You let us capture someone in our video. So you understand the meaning of minimum and maximum now?
Yes.
Dzień dobry.
Now our eyes look a little the same.
So you remember at least and at most now?
I only know maximum
And minimum.
minimum.
You can't remember at least and at most.
Yes. But at most means like not bigger.
Yes, at most means not bigger than that thing.
And
At least
means like not
smaller.
smaller.
Yeah, at least means not smaller. At most means not bigger. So at least 17 means not smaller than 17. At most 20 means not bigger than 20. Is that clear? At 5.
We have done
Minimum and maximum. You all like you.
now, if I was a girl, there would be minimum, maximum.
If you were a girl, you will be mini me. Okay. 1536. Goodness. Minimum and maximum. Hey, goody. are you greeting first, me or Mercy?
Daddy! What? Yes, fancy.
You did not collect your jacket.
Yes. Mommy, and mommy what?
Chinku Yebazo.
Mommy look.